Good evening, friends. First of all, wish you all a happy festive time and wish you all a very happy new year ahead in advance. Friends, hope you have seen my past two videos that I have posted in my YouTube channel. So today, this will be the third video that I'll be going to post in my channel. So do comment on that video, whatever modification needed, and do suggest me also. Today, let's talk something very important in financial planning, that is goal-based planning, how to set up a financial goals and how to do a goal-based planning. The sense of doing financial planning and taking into the financial planning as a part of your life is first to set your own priorities, set your own goals. Like there is always a saying, what is important in our journey is to fix the destinations. Then only we need to travel and plan the travel accordingly. So same goes with the financial planning also. We need to set aside our financial goals and we have to plan accordingly in fulfilling that goals. So broadly, you may fix some short-term goals that you may need a certain kind of financial assistance in fulfilling that in a period of 12 months, maybe 24 months or 36 months. So up to that, we may assign to short-term goals and all. And broadly, a long-term goals. So for me, like anything above 4 to 5 years, till 15 years or 20 years is a long-term goal. So there are different financial planners across the globe who is to define goals into different segments, this, that, and all. But what according to me is that if you have sufficient emergency fund, that I always say it as in prime importance, and I made my first video on emergency funds also, and we talk of addressing the short-term needs also in one of my video earlier. So when we do so, like the main problem that we really see in our day-to-day interactions with our clients and investors in mutual funds or security market is that they are unable to fix that goal. That is the main kind of steps that they come across. So initially what you need is that you need to have a priority in your financial planning, in your day-to-day activities, and you set aside certain goals. Like if I ask to anybody, those who have joined the job very newly and they might be in 25 or 26 years of their life and all, if I ask a question to them, when you want to see after you say a span of 35 years of career in your financial planning, they are they take this question so lightly, and they make sometimes they make jokes out of it, is that who have seen that long days in our life, let me enjoy my life, we have joined very new in job or we have started the business very new. Friends, that is the early part of your life where you start earnings. That is a very important phase of your life. People, they start regretting as they grow older, then when they do and calculations and find out the net positions or the net worth of where they are and where they want to be, then the difference sometimes seems very very huge. Then they have a very shorter amount of time. We always forget a fact is that wealth can be created in weight, and wealth can be created over a period of time. What we need to do is that we need to have a similar kind of goals assigned, so that I can do away this much of money for my short-term goals. The primary goals that I may be associated with, I may need I've started my job or earnings, I'm in age of 25 or 26 or maybe early 30s. I want to plan to buy a car after 5 6 years. That might be a short-term need, but that need should not be a liability to you or to us. I have seen across many youngsters, they they get a car of 10 times of their net worth, and they carry the EMI for 15 years, and that becomes so burden in wealth creations that eventually after the end of 10 15 years, to do away the EMIs of a diminishing asset, they have wasted a lots of time in their career and all. So initially, I feel like if you plan to buy a car, think of where you are standing, what is your short-term goal, how much is your income, and keep aside certain amount of things. If you're buying a car on an EMI, try to keep a little amount, say maybe 10% or 20% of your or 15% of your EMI separately into an SIP or orientations, and select a well diversified equity fund, so that the time you attain this maturity, or you attain the fulfillment of that EMI, your SIP matured at that point of time and all. So you can have an alternate kind of investment that may hedges the rising interest that you are paying in fulfilling the loan for the car over a period of time. This is number one. Number two is that you have to really think for a long-term goal in your life, that is that should be your priority. You are 25, 26, again in that age group I'm addressing all my maximum of my videos to the beginners only. So if you are in that age group of 25, 26 or below 30, you have attended the job, you have attended, start working and earnings, you are into business, and you are unable to see where you want to stay stand at your financial positions after 30 or 35 years, is that you are unable to visualize the kind of inflation adjusted returns you might be needing, and inflation adjusted expenses you might be incurring, what you are incurring now and post your retirement, what would be there. So better is that you consult a financial planner, sit with him, and then financial planner will make you visualize the entire journey and all, and that is very much needed. There is always a saying is that Warren Buffett used to say, the right time to plant a tree was 20 years earlier, and the second best time is today. But what I say is that, what I feel like is that to reap the benefit and to reap the hard labor and kind of durations that you stay invested in your investments, is that you need to plant early. If you have planted a tree at the age of 25, 26, 27, and when at 40 you are forming a family, you have formed a family, you got married, you got a kid of maybe 2-3 years old, or you are having two kids, one maybe 6, one maybe 3. At that juncture, when you are at 40 years of age and you really plan to buy a house, that point of time, if that plantation was done in the age of 25 and 26, and you are planning to buy a house at 40 or 42, that plantations will help you and protect you. A much more kind of liabilities can be taken care with that. Otherwise, eventually at the age of 40, 45, people used to go and get a bigger priority in their life in buying a house, and eventually they take loan from a bank, and that loan stays for 20 years duration of your career till your retirement, and you pay so heavy EMIs that when you really overdo the loan and you calculate that how much you have taken and how much you have given to the bank or the lenders, then you can see a huge amount of interest. And that is the most important time in your career, where you are spending a lot to fulfill a long desired goal that was not planned early in your 20s or 30s, and for that you are taking and giving away enough of your savings and time, and eventually when at 60 your adequate corpus is not built up, and again you have a post-retirement crisis of finance happen. So once kind of things step into a wrong directions, or into a not planned directions is being taken into your early days, leads to a devastating the kind of positions you may end up. So these are very much minorly associated, and these are very important. Time is money, and definitely it is money. Wealth is created by waiting. Wealth is created over a long period of time, and wealth is created in a wide diversifications of your investments. It is not into only mutual funds and all. When you are early, you need to invest some things into stocks directly also, with having consultations of your certified financial plan. They may also guide you. That kind of overall investment scenarios in your life, in your family, will take you enough burden of the devil of finance, that is inflation, the devil of finance, that is EMI and interest, can be taken care of. So do take care when you are starting. Like as a tailor always say, ki if you put the first button of your shirt into a wrong hole, eventually all the buttons will put into wrong, and that will be a mess up, and it can't dress you well. So same goes with finance, same goes with financial planning. Setting up of a right goal, setting up of a goal at early age, dreaming of a long-term goal, carrying through well diversified portfolio, and waiting for an over longer durations, and prioritizing the thing, cascading and differentiating your goals and needs into different baskets, and well planned, well structured finance with the help of certified financial planners, with the help of those who know finance and investments, how it can be created. Now your life will be very comfortable, and you can create enough of wealth that is needed to lead a blessed life. So in this video, when we are addressing the need of proper goal setting in your finance, do have a kind of feedback in your life, but just recheck after watching this video where you really miss out the certain plans that you need to plan, but you could not do because of some things. Do take care what in future you should not miss out. So whatever missed out can't be taken back, and whatever lies in the futures can always be corrected. So you stay healthy in this pandemic. It's not yet over. Take care of your health and take care of your finance also, and plan very judiciously, plan very nicely, plan it on well diversified kind of scenarios wherein your financial planning, setting up of your financial plannings makes your life more comfortable than you are. So wishing you all very happy times. Do correct me wherever I am making mistakes in this video. Comment and share if you really like it, and do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And for all my videos, the common statutory that is disclosure made by SEBIs and other investment regulators is always to be maintained. Whatever is there is not endorsement of any schemes, past track records, or subject to market risk. All are embedded in these videos and all. Thanks, and hope you have enjoyed this video today, and do subscribe me what you really want to listen or hear or discuss in my next video. Thank you so much.